Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. I am creating this Cranberry Smokey eye, and I just thought to myself, I love creating artistic looks, but I want to create more wearable looks that you guys would actually wear. So I just thought of doing a all matte smokey eye. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing, as usual, is priming the eyelids. I'm using concealer. I'm using this one by Too Faced, and then I set it with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm using my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm grabbing this light salmon blush shade, and I'm just going to be popping that into my crease and just really rounding out that outer corner and just really sticking it right in the smack center of my crease. And then with whatever's left over on the brush, I drag the outer crease just to kind of drag it up into the brow bone, but that's after all the product is mainly in the center of my crease, if that makes sense. And then I'm grabbing this angled brush and the darker pink shade, and I'm just starting to add some definition and map out where we're going to be applying our depth. So I'm just drawing this line and I'm applying it a little bit above my natural crease and just really rounding out that outer corner and just really bringing that line all the way in. And then I grabbed this fluffy brush and some more of that pink eyeshadow, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line, just really building up some depth and just kind of diffusing it because I did want it to be a really blended look. I don't want it to have any harsh lines. And then I'm grabbing this flat brush and the darker burgundy shade, and honestly this step is gonna have some fallout just because we're pressing this matte shadow onto our lid, so there's gonna be a little bit of fallout. But nonetheless, it still came on pretty nicely, and I also did apply it with my finger on the lid as well, just so that we don't have any patchiness going on. And then I grabbed this small tapered brush and I'm just kind of blending that darker burgundy into that pink shade, and then just really making sure that everything is super blended. This type of look takes a lot of blending just because there's so many layers and there's so many different colors. But next I grabbed our first transition color, the light salmon shade, and the big fluffy brush, and I'm just applying that once more to the top of the crease because I felt like after all that blending we kind of lost it a little bit. And then I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes, and then in my waterline I'm applying this liner by Urban Decay called Double Life, and all the products that I'm using will be linked down below. And then I'm just going into that blush shade and just applying that to my lower lash line, and then going into the pink shade and then merging the two together and just going in left and right motions really just to kind of blend it out. But I love to get as close to the lower lash line as possible. I don't really like a super dragged down look on the lower lash line, so I went in with that darker burgundy shade and just kind of added some more depth. And then I grabbed my mascara by The Balm. This is called the Mad Lash. And then last but not least, I'm grabbing this light pink shimmery shade, and I just decided to pop this onto my inner corner just to kind of switch it up. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please leave some suggestions for future videos down below. And also, we have monthly giveaways here on our channel, so if you want to be entered for that, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below. And our giveaway is unfortunately US only for now, but we plan on changing that in the future for sure once our channel grows. We're so close to 100K, so we're super excited. We're going to keep dropping videos as often as we can, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!